So this is a binomial theorem question, which is worth about 5 to 9 marks. And let's jump into the question. The second, third, and fourth term in the binomial expansion of x plus a of n are 240, 720, and 1080 respectively. Find x, a, and n. NC1 x of n minus 1a is equal to 240. Similarly, like three, you will get three equations. Like if you have a doubt on how those equations have been obtained, let's have a glance of the general term formula. The general term formula is x plus a of n, that would be equal to nc0 x of n plus nc1 x of n minus 1 multiplied with a plus nc2 x of n minus 1 multiplied with a square plus nc3 x of n minus 3 multiplied with a cube. And then from these three equations, we should take the second equation and we should divide it by the first equation. Then we'll get it like nc2 x of n minus 2 multiplied with a square divided by nc1 x of n minus 1 a, that would be equal to 720 divided by 240. And 240 if you multiply 240 three times is 720. And then like after you just solve this thing like on the exponential form, n minus 2 minus n plus 1, then and this one would be a square, that would be a square minus like a2 minus 1. And then yeah, nc square n divided by nc1 multiplied with x of minus 1 multiplied with a, that would give us 3. And then we should like expand it into the factorial form. So it would give us n factorial divided by 2 factorial of n minus 2 factorial multiplied with, like after taking it the reciprocal side, like we'll get it right. Then it would give me n factorial divided by 1 factorial of n minus 1 whole factorial multiplied with a by x, that would be equal to 3. And then n minus 1 whole factorial divided by 2 of n minus 2 whole factorial multiplied with a by x, that would give me 3. And n minus 1 multiplied with n minus 2 whole factorial divided by n minus 2 whole factorial multiplied with ax, that would give us 6. So you must be wondering how this factorial have been like just changed into n minus 2 whole factorial. Just see this, n minus 1 factorial can be also written as n minus 1 multiplied with n minus 2 multiplied with n minus 3. It will just go on until n becomes 0. Like when n equals to 0, then the cycle just the loop like the loop ends. And then n minus 1 will be equal to 6 by a. This will be like, let's just assume it as equation 4. And then equation like here in the top, like equation 3 is given, right? 3 like now let's take it as equation 3 divided by equation 2. So it would be after you get the equation, then you should multiply this, like you should divide this thing, then it would be equal to 3 by 2. Then nc3 divided by nc2 multiplied with n x of n minus 3 minus, like after just solving it, you will get it n factorial divided by 3 factorial of n minus 3 whole factorial multiplied with 2 factorial of n minus 2 whole factorial divided by n factorial multiplied with x of minus 1 multiplied with a, that would give me 3 by 2. 3 by 2 we have just got it by 1080 divided by 720, that is 3 by 2. And then like 2 factorial is 2 multiplied with 1, and 3 factorial is 3 multiplied with 2 factorial, and 2 factorial gets cancelled. Now the 3 will be remaining, and n minus 2 whole factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial multiplied with a by x, that would give me 3 by 2. and then n minus 2 whole factorial divided by n minus 3 whole factorial multiplied with, like, just take the 3 to the other side, x to the top, and a down the side. Then we'll just get it as 9x divided by 2a, and then n minus 2 whole factorial divided by n minus 3 whole factorial. After, like, just solving it, you will get n minus 2 will be equal to 9x by 2a. Then if you take 2 on the other side, then you'll get it as n equals to 9x by 2a plus 2. Like, put n in equation 4, then you'll get it as n minus 1 equals to like, this is the equation for n minus 1 equals to 6x by a. And after substituting n equals to a 9x by 2a plus 2, you will get it as 9x by 2a plus 2 minus 1. That would be equal to 6x by a. Then 9x by 2a minus 6x by a. Then after it will be equal to minus 1. After taking LCM and solving it, we will get 3x equals to 2a. Then x by a is equal to 2 by 3. So now we'll get x equals to 2 and a equals to 3. Then like, after getting these two terms, now we should get only n. Already we like got this equation. Let's substitute this x and a in this n equation. Then we'll get it as 9 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied with 3 plus 2, 18 by 6 plus 2. That would like, finally we'll get n equals to 5, and x equals to 2, a equals to 3, and n equals to 5. That's it.